Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I would like to start by saying my apologies for not uploading. I am back and I pray that I am consistent. However, let us start ngotando nesithembu. So, Bazalwane, I'm sorry. Hey, yeah, no, it was hectic. Mera go on by the throat. I regret saying I'm willing to go an extra mile. But can we talk about Uthando Nesithembu, in particular, Usibindi Mpumelelo Mseleko? Can we agree ukuthi Mpumelelo wants to live the lifestyle of his father, but he is as disrespectful as his mom? Yes, Umayeni is a straight talker. I'm not disputing that. Ningizweni kahle ngoba nina nizwela izinto phambili. Umayeni is a straight talker. I agree. However, in her straight talk, there's underlined disrespect. That when you think of the statements that she says, Obama, ne? Spindi is annoyed by the late coming, is annoyed by the talking, is annoyed by everything. But ufuna ukudisciplina abafazi bobabu wakhe. Usibindi wants to be the one disciplining abafazi bakababu wakhe. Ahluleka ukudiscipline uTirelo. I was like, guy, uTirelo uyakuhlula. Askisine kipakile ko strateng. But now my worry is Umpumelelo uhlulwa yisakhe isithembu esingakaqali. Akabi no-wife number 1, usano-girlfriend number 1, girlfriend number 5. Balokhu bayaphuma bayashintshisana. Last man standing at this point uTirelo, and I thought ukuthi uVuyokazi would be the last woman standing. I don't know, the speech was unnecessary. I know it was unprepared speech. I think he could have easily said, Baba siyabonga impilo, uNkulunkulu ukubusisile, we are here to celebrate you. Whatever words Umnini wanted to say, he will write them down. Because the reason why he got the opportunity to speak is because Umnini broke down. Guys, these children love their dad. In parenting, there's something that Umseleko is doing right. There's something that Umseleko is doing right.